Well, here we go. Let's take a look at the backyard. See what's happened today. Oh, as expected, it only continues to get deeper. Where's my fence? There it is. Barely see it anymore. I know it's getting darker, but maybe you can see the contrast of, wow, still blowing, still high. Look at that. Let me take you down. It's a long way down and a long way up. It is my height, I'll tell you that much. I don't think I'll be over it, but look at that snow. Let me back up and see if I can get a sort of depth picture for you here. As I back up, I'm practically out the room to get it all in. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.